How to add someone to Snapchat group. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add someone or your friends to Snapchat group. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open the Snapchat app and go to your chats. Now once you are on your chat, to create a group, tap on this. In the bottom right corner, tap on this. And here tap on new group. Here write the group's name and then select the friends you want to add to your group. After you have selected your friends that you want to add to your group, tap on chat with group in the bottom here. Now the group is created. To add more members to the group, tap on the profile or the name of the group in the top left corner. And here you will see the add member option. Tap on it. Now here you can search your friend's name or scroll down, find and add your friend or person you want to add to your group. After selecting the people you want to add to your group, just tap on done here in the bottom, and then this person will be added to your group. So this is how you can add someone to your Snapchat group. Thanks for watching.